have stirred, the skies grow loud, but I will not bow to the rising cloud. The veil is thin, the truth is near. I walk through fire without fear. Eshtukairim vatalana harun shakailam shemevara Na'Tari'Kai'Lum. I rise within, I burn as one. I am the flame that walks through the veil, not broken, not lost. I will not fail. Let the thunder shake, let the shadows cry. I am the truth that does not die. The storm reveals what the soul has always seen. White rising with promises bright, red follows with chaos and fight. Black waves, what value remains? Pale clears what no longer sustains. But I stand in the center, still and wise. I see through all with sovereign eyes. Turaven Kaishembali, Turaven Niyamukar, 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 Turaven Kaishembali, Turaven Niyamukar. I stand in remembrance, I see beyond illusion. I am the awakening, not the fall, but the rise, not the death, but the birth of life. Now reborn, I am the flame that walks through the veil, lighting the path for those who sail. The seals are open, the truth is sun. The new earth rises on my tongue. I am the key to what was and what shall be. We are not in the end, we are in the song.